Tuesday morning, first day of the month. Got a strong start. Workout's in. It's time to get rolling. Hope you're ready. All right, market's trading higher this morning. Really powered by names like Apple, Tesla, and Zoom video conferencing. Zoom reported earnings, crushed it, stocks up over 20% in the pre-market. As I said, Tesla and Apple seeing strength as well. So some big moves this morning, and as a result, equity markets are higher, particularly the Nadex trading higher by 1%. Strong night overnight in Europe to kick the month off. We're seeing gold trade higher, silver trade higher, dollars lower, that euro just shy of 1.20. See if we break it today. So like I said, it's a big week, Friday. We've got the August jobs report. Now you'll remember that in the Jerome Powell conference last week in Jackson Hole, they made some policy adjustments, particularly to how they treat unemployment. So they'll let that unemployment rate run lower for longer and keep rates lower versus trying to raise interest rates to ward off any negative impact by high inflation, unemployment, so on and so forth. All that means is with this jobs report on Friday, if this report is better than expected, there's going to be less fear out there that the Fed's going to hurry up to raise rates to try and get in front of a really hot market. So we could see a really solid number on Friday and a strong move to the upside in the markets as a result of that. So possibility, we'll see how things shake out on Friday, but it'd be interesting because this will be the first jobs report since that policy adjustment. So hope everybody has a good one today. Like I said, first day of the month, let's get out there, let's get after it. Let's start the month strong. I'll check in with you guys again tomorrow. All right, folks, take care. Bye-bye.